Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to continue with the 7th session. 7 is my lucky number. So just today's session should be one of the useful one. So in the previous session we were discussing about symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. I hope you can recall it. What is a symmetric matrix and what is a skew symmetric matrix, and especially to check whether a given matrix capital A is a symmetric, we have to just check the condition. That condition is nothing but A dash is equal to A. Suppose if A dash equal to A satisfies, then the matrix is symmetric, and the matrix is skew symmetric if it satisfies the condition A dash, the transpose of a matrix is minus A. If the transpose of a matrix is minus A, then the matrix is said to be skew symmetric. So in the previous class we have discussed one example for symmetric matrix. So just today I will give you one simple example for a skew symmetric matrix. Prove that a matrix A is equal to 0, minus 2, 7, 2, 0, minus root 3. I take here minus 7, root 3, 0 is skew symmetric. Prove that this matrix is skew symmetric. How it can be done? So just I will directly go with, first I will find what is A dash. What is the transpose of this matrix? The transpose of a matrix would be interchange rows into columns, that is 0, minus 2, 7, 2, 0, minus root 3, and then minus 7, root 3, 0. I will find what is negative of, this further implies negative of A dash. What is negative of A dash? Negative of this would be change the signs of all elements. It is 0, minus 2, 7. Next here it is 2, 0, minus root 3. And then we have minus 7, root 3, 0. So dear friends, you check whether this and this both are equal. So this indicates we have A, it is same as minus A dash, or on the other hand we have A dash is equal to minus A. That is why the matrix is skew symmetric. I hope all of you understood it. It is very simple. Okay, we shall continue today with a beautiful theorem which are given in the NCERT book. The theorem 1 based on symmetric and skew symmetric. Theorem 1 is as follows. For any square matrix A, we always expect for any square matrix, capital A, we have A plus A dash. A matrix plus its transpose is always symmetric. It is always symmetric. And A minus A dash, it is always skew symmetric. Always skew symmetric. So this is the theorem. How to prove that A plus A dash is symmetric, and how to prove that A minus A dash is skew symmetric in general. Please do not give counter example. Do not give example when you have to prove it is true for all matrices. What we need to do, I will just give the proof. The first part, I will begin with, see, just in order to prove that A plus A dash is symmetric, what I need to do, I will take like this. Okay, let some matrix B I take. B is equal to A plus A dash. I take B equal to what? A plus A dash. So this particular matrix B is the sum of a matrix and its symmetric. We have to prove that it is a symmetric, matrix plus its transpose. We have to prove that it is symmetric. In order to prove that this is symmetric, what has to be done? Apply the condition for symmetric matrix. That is nothing but the transpose of a matrix should be same as the given matrix. Therefore, I begin like this. I begin with B transpose, the transpose of this. What would be B transpose means? It is A plus A dash, it is B, its transpose. And there is a one property of transpose of a matrix, it is x plus y its transpose, it is x transpose plus y transpose. Therefore, I just start write x transpose plus y transpose, it is A dash its dash. And you know that transpose of transpose is same matrix, therefore, we expect that is A dash plus A. And you know that matrix addition is commutative, that is why I can write here B dash is equal to A plus A dash, because A dash plus A is same as A plus A dash, and this A plus A dash is nothing but B. Therefore, just you got B dash is equal to B. Now, what is your conclusion? Can you please tell me what is your conclusion? So, this further implies B dash is equal to B, which implies B is symmetric. What do you mean by B is symmetric? What is B? A plus A dash. A plus A dash is symmetric. That is the first part. What is the second part? I will continue. Let capital C be A minus A dash. I need to prove that C is skew symmetric. How to prove that skew this one C A minus A dash is skew symmetric? To prove that it is skew symmetric, I will just begin with C dash. What is the transpose of C? It is nothing but A minus A dash, its transpose. So, we have by applying the basic what you call property A dash, it is A dash minus A dash its dash, and you know that is equal to transpose of A minus A. We have C dash is A dash minus A. So, can you observe here C dash, it is nothing but minus negative of this one. So, actually you know A minus B is negative that of B minus A. Therefore, A dash minus A, it is negative that of A minus A dash. So, what is A minus A dash? A minus A dash is nothing but C. That is why we have it further implies C dash is equal to negative of C. What do you mean by C dash is negative of C? This indicates we have C is skew symmetric, condition for skew symmetric. Skew symmetric indicates actually C means what? A minus A dash is skew symmetric. Okay. So, that is a standard result. So, we will continue with one example related proving that the matrix any matrix satisfy the same condition like theorem 1. So, I begin with I will take any of the matrix a 2 cross 2 matrix. You may choose any matrix like a 2 cross 2 matrix or 3 cross 3 matrix, but okay, better to avoid the waste of time, I will just take only a simple matrix, it is a 2 cross 2 matrix. Let me begin with a matrix. If A it is equal to 1, 5, 6, 7. I will take this matrix 1, 5, 6, 7. Verify A plus A dash is symmetric. First one, A plus A dash is symmetric. Second one, A minus A dash is skew symmetric. A minus A dash is skew symmetric. Okay, solution. A is known to you. It is 1, 5, 6, 7. And what is A dash? The transpose of this 1, 5, 6, 7. Interchanging rows into columns, columns into rows. Now, find out what is A plus A dash. So, A is what? 1, 5, 6, 7 plus A dash is 1, 6, 5, 7. Okay. Now, just tell me what is the sum of them. You need to add corresponding elements 1 plus 1. Okay. So, we have 6 plus 5, 7 plus 7, 14. Now, just look into this is the main diagonal and whether the other elements are equal or whether you have this matrix When you find the transpose of that, will it be the same? I will find what is A plus A dash, its transpose. The transpose of this will be interchanging rows into columns and columns into rows. Do you find both are same? So, that is same as A plus A dash, which indicates A plus A dash is symmetric. This is the first part. Now, what is the second part? I will find what is A minus A dash. A 1, 5, 6, 7 minus A dash. What is A dash here? It is 1, 5, 6, 7. Find the difference. What is 1 minus 1? What is 5 minus 6? What is 6 minus 5? And what is 7 minus 7? And just clearly the elements of principal diagonals are zeros and the other elements are opposite in sign. So, it is very clear that A minus A dash is skew symmetric. So, this is the result. In order to prove, for any matrix given A plus A dash, it is always symmetric, A minus A dash, it is always skew symmetric. So, dear friends, one concept which has been not given in the NCERT book, but that is important for competitive examination, that is nothing but proving that for any two matrices, proving that the product of a matrix and its transpose is always symmetric. So, just I can give this as a remark or note for any square matrix. For any square matrix A, we always have A into A transpose. A into A transpose is always symmetric. A into A transpose is always symmetric. How we can prove that A into A transpose is symmetric? You can apply the condition for symmetric matrix and you can prove it. But just I will give simple example here. If A is equal to some 2, 3, 4, 7. What is A into A dash? First A, what is A? It is 2, 3, 4, 7. What is its transpose? It is 2, 3, interchange rows into columns, 4, 7. And you know how to find the product of two matrices. To find the product of two matrices, multiply rows of first matrix with the columns of second matrix. We expect, I will write it together, we have 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, 4 plus 9, it is 13. Next, multiply like this. It is 2 4s are 8, 3 7s are 21, 21 plus 8, it is 29. What is the next one? Here 8 plus 21, that is 29. And we have here 16 plus 49. 16 plus 49, it is 65. Just observe here, this matrix is symmetric. Why it is symmetric? Any elements can be there in the principal diagonal, but the other diagonal elements, the non-diagonal elements, same in this case. Or it satisfies the transpose of a matrix, x dash is equal to x when you treat this as x. So, that is a condition. Shall we continue then? So, just we have a beautiful problem which is likely to be asked in examination. It was found, I just remember that March 2017, this question was found for 3 marks. The problem is like this. For two symmetric matrices A and B, if A and B are two symmetric matrices, the question was asked like this. If A and B are symmetric, two matrices given A and B are symmetric matrices of same order. If A and B are two symmetric matrices of same order, then show that AB is symmetric. Show that AB is symmetric if and only if AB is equal to B. if and only if AB is equal to BA. In order to show that AB is symmetric if and only if AB equal to BA, given that both A and B are symmetric matrix. Dear friends, please recall what do you mean by two matrices A and B are symmetric. I will begin with this. Let me write the solution like this. Okay. It is given that A and B are symmetric. I do not want to write sentence by sentence. It will be given to you in the form of notes. A dash is equal to A. And okay, we have here B dash is equal to B. This is because both A and B are symmetric. Condition or definition, by definition, okay. Since A and B are symmetric. Now, in order to prove that AB is symmetric only when AB is equal to BA, or when AB equal to BA, we have to prove that AB is symmetric. So, both the cases, we have to prove X if and only if Y, means whenever X is true, we have to prove that Y is true. So, that is the condition, okay. Just that has to be proved here. It is bidirectional. Whenever Y is true, you have to prove X also is true. So, therefore, just let me begin with. I will take, okay, just in order to prove that AB is symmetric, I will begin like this. AB is symmetric, this further implies AB dash X is symmetric. What do you mean by X is symmetric? The transpose of that X dash should be equal to X. AB dash is equal to what? AB. So, that is one condition like for symmetric matrix. Let me take this one as equation 1. This is by definition, okay, by using definition. So, next let me take a general property of transpose of product of two matrices. This we have already discussed earlier. AB dash, you know that A into B its transpose, it is B transpose into A transpose. Do you remember this? AB transpose, it is B transpose into A transpose. Now, just apply this. What is B transpose? Sorry, I did the mistake here. B transpose is B, A transpose is A. Now, just what is B transpose? It is B. What is A transpose? That is A. B transpose, it is B, A transpose, it is A. So, I take this as equation 2. This is the standard result. Standard result, okay. Now, just look at equation 1, look at equation 2. In both the this one equations, we have left hand side is AB dash, here AB dash is AB and here AB dash is BA. Therefore, by 1 and 2, we have AB, it is same as BA. So, I hope you understood. This is direct proof, like assuming that first is true, we have proved second is true. Now, the second converse means reverse, okay, in the reverse direction. I assume that the first or the second one is true. If AB is equal to BA, suppose if you just take AB is equal to BA, we have to prove that AB is symmetric. To prove that AB is symmetric, this has to be proved, taking that AB equal to BA. So, we have to prove that AB is symmetric. Now, just let me begin with AB dash. In order to prove AB is symmetric, I have to prove that the transpose of AB, it is same as AB. Okay. AB dash using standard result, it is B dash into A dash. That is the standard result. AB dash, it will be B dash into A dash. Now, just to recall, what is B dash? This is the general condition for symmetric matrix. It is B. And what is A dash? It is A. So, we have AB dash, it is BA, but okay, I will take this as equation A. Now, by using A, what is that BA? It will be same as AB. I can write that is equal to AB. Therefore, since we have AB dash, just look at this, AB dash, it is same as AB. This further implies what this indicates? AB is symmetric. So, this is the proof. I hope all of you understood it properly. So, what is the condition for proving that X if and only if Y? First, you have to assume that X is true, prove that Y is true. So, and the converse, assuming that y is true, you have to prove x also is true. Okay. So, next there is another beautiful theorem related to what you call symmetric, skew symmetric with the transpose of a given matrix. Theorem 2 in your NCERT book. We have second theorem, theorem 2. For any square matrix, or the square matrix can be written as, any square matrix can be expressed as a sum of a symmetric and skew symmetric. So, that is second theorem. Any square matrix or a square matrix I can take, just okay, any square matrix can be expressed as the sum of a symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. This question, the question based on this theorem is somehow important, because it is likely to be asked for 3 marks in the board examination. Okay. So, but I will explain in general how to prove this theorem. Any square matrix which can be expressed as what? A sum of a symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Okay. So, we will do one thing. I will take a matrix solution. Let A be a given matrix. So, just I will apply very simple logic. Let me take A is equal to half of 1 by 2 into 2A. I hope all of you understand. A can be written as half of 2A. 2 get cancelled, but do not cancel it. And you know that what is 2A? You know what is 2 bhajji? 2 bhajji means 1 bhajji plus another bhajji. So, similarly, what is 2A? 2A stands for A plus A. Very clear? We have A can be expressed as half of A plus A. Now, just further to the same expression, let me add and subtract by A dash, means transpose of A. First, let me add and then let me subtract, but please do not cancel it. So, you have same A, it is half of A plus A dash plus A minus A dash. I will write once again, A, it is half of A plus A dash plus half of 1/2 of A minus A dash. I think it is very clear. So, you already have seen. So, this one I take it as equation 1. Just recall, we have already seen in theorem 1 that A plus A dash is what? A symmetric matrix. What is A minus A dash? It is skew symmetric matrix. Therefore, if I take P is half of A plus A dash. If I take P as what? Half of A plus A dash. So, this is half of a symmetric matrix. Half of symmetric matrix. You know that symmetric matrix means satisfy x dash equal to x. Therefore, half of that also is symmetric matrix. So, we have P, it is half of this one, this is P now, half of A plus A dash, it is symmetric matrix. I will take Q, it is half of A minus A dash, because this P and Q are the notations given in NCERT book. So, that is nothing but half of skew symmetric. You know that A minus A dash is skew symmetric. So, that is also a skew symmetric matrix. is a skew symmetric matrix. Then clearly what this indicates? This gives A is equal to by 1. A, it is first, this is P, and second one, it is Q. So what is P? We have already seen that P is symmetric matrix. And what is Q? Q is skew symmetric. Now just check what we have proved. We have proved that a given matrix A, it is the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric. That is a proof. You can prove that any square matrix, in general any square matrix is the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric. Okay. So next we shall discuss with simple example. So a problem which has been given in the NCERT book exercise. The example which has been asked here, the matrix itself is skew symmetric. Prove that it can be expressed as a sum of symmetric and skew symmetric. The question is as follows. Find half of A plus A dash, half of A minus A dash, given that, or if A is equal to, here A is given as a skew symmetric matrix, may be 0, A, B, minus A, 0. So, and then it may be C, we may have here minus B, minus C, 0. Clearly, this matrix is what? Skew symmetric. That does not matter. You are asked to prove, no, you are asked to find what? Half of A plus A dash and half of A minus A dash. Now, first let me find what is A plus A dash. A is what? It is 0, A, B, minus A, 0, C, minus B, minus C, 0, plus its transpose. Interchange rows into columns. It is 0, A, B, minus A, 0, C, minus B, minus C, 0. So, what do you get on adding? 0 plus 0, do not write 2 0, it is 0. Next, what is A plus minus A? 0. What is B plus minus B? 0. What is minus A plus A? 0. 0 plus 0, 0. So, we have here C minus C, 0. So, just what do you observe here? All elements are zeros. It is a null matrix. We have A plus A dash is null matrix, no doubt, which further implies half of A plus A dash means multiply every entry by half, 1 by 2. So, it also gives a null matrix only. It is 0, 0, 0. Okay. Next, find what is A minus A dash. A I refer only this one, negative minus what do you expect now? What is 0 minus 0? 0. A minus of minus A, it is 2A. B minus of minus B, it is 2B. What is minus A minus A? It is minus 2A. 0. Okay, then C minus of it is 2C. What do you expect here? Minus B minus minus 2B. Then minus C, it is minus 2C. This will be 0. That is A minus A dash. Therefore, what this implies? Half of that. You divide all entries by 2. Half of A minus A dash, all right. That is obtained by just dividing each entry by 2. So, that is nothing but 0 A B, 0, sorry, it will be minus A, 0 C, minus A, minus B, minus C, 0, half of that, half of this. So, just we expect here, this is same as the given matrix. So, we have, okay, this is symmetric, this is skew symmetric. So, one can express given matrix as a sum of symmetric and skew symmetric. So, we shall continue with the problems which are based on which are likely to be asked for 3 marks is nothing but for a given matrix, show that it can be expressed as a sum of symmetric and skew symmetric. There are a lot of problems which are found in the exercise. I explain 2 or 3. So, the question is like this: express a given matrix, the following matrices, express the following matrices as a sum of symmetric and skew symmetric. So, let me explain 2 or 3 examples, like better, okay, just I will explain only one example in the case of what you call 2 cross 2 matrix. Let me take the first matrix is nothing but. So, okay, just we will continue with the examples which are likely to be asked for 3 marks in board examination, okay, based on that theorem 1 and theorem 2. So, the questions will be like this: express the following as the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. We'll just take the 3 cases here. Case number 1, I'll take only one example with the 2 cross 2 matrix. Only one example I take in the case of 2 cross 2 matrix. It is 3, 5, 1, minus 1. So, let me take the other 2 examples. In the case of 3 cross 3 matrix, let me take a 3 cross 3 matrix. It is 3, 3, minus 1. Let me take the second row. It is minus 2, 1. And the third row, let it be minus 4, minus 5, and minus other plus 2 I take. Third example, these are the questions which have been asked in the NCERT book. 6 minus 2, 2. Second row, let it be minus 2, 3, minus 1. And third row, so let it be 2, minus 1, 3. I'll begin with the first question. Okay, question number 1. Solution. Question number 1. I'll take a given matrix. What is the given matrix? 3, 5, 1, minus 1. Will you be able to tell me what is A dash then? What is A transpose? The transpose of this matrix? Change rows into columns. Okay. Will you be able to find what is A plus A dash? A plus A dash. You add these 2 matrices like. First one is 3, 5, 1, minus 1. Adding with its transpose, it is 3, 5, 1, minus 1. And that would be equal to 3 plus 3, 6, 5 plus 1, 6, 1 plus 5, 6, minus 1, minus 1, minus 2. And afterwards, what we need to do, just I will take P equal to capital P, as we have discussed in the case of theorem. Capital P, let it be 1 by 2, half of A plus A dash. What is half of that one? It is 3, 3, 3, minus 1. Clearly, so this matrix is symmetric. P is symmetric. Now, second, I will take A minus A dash. What is A minus A dash? It is 3, 5, 1, minus 1, minus its transpose, it is 3, 5, 1, minus 1. So, what would be 3 minus 3? 0. What is 5 minus 1? is 4. What is 1 minus 5? It is minus 4. And what is minus 1 plus 1? It is 0. So, you have a plus a dash or a minus a dash will be like this. I take q. What is q here? It is half of a minus a dash. Look at a minus a dash, it is 0, 4, minus 4, 0. What is its half? It will be dividing throughout by 2, we get 0, 2, minus 2, 0. And what about this? It is skew symmetric. Skew symmetric. And it is very important that we have to write a given matrix A, it is half of A plus A dash plus half of A minus A dash, or you may write capital A is equal to P plus Q. What is P? P is nothing but what? It is 3, 3, 3 minus 1 plus what is Q? It is 0, 2, minus 2, 0. Clearly, so first matrix is symmetric plus second matrix it is skew symmetric. So, that means we have expressed a given matrix A as a sum of symmetric and skew symmetric. So, that is the result. Let me continue with the second example in the case of 3 cross 3. So, what do you expect? Second one. So, let B, what is the given matrix B? It is 3, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 2, 1, minus 4, minus 5, 2. Now, what is its transpose? B dash. Transpose of this matrix, interchanging rows into columns, 3, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 2, 1, minus 4, minus 5, 2. So, I will find what is B plus B dash. B plus B dash would be adding these, I will write directly, what is 3 plus 3? It would be 6. What is 3 plus minus 2? It will be 1. Minus 1 plus minus 4, it is minus 5. Minus 2 plus 3 will be 1. What is minus 2 plus minus 2? It is minus 4. What is 1 plus minus 5? It is minus 4. What is minus 4 plus minus 1? It is minus 5. Minus 5 plus 1, it is minus 4. 2 plus 2, it is 4. This is nothing but what? B plus B dash. And further this implies P is equal to half of B plus B dash. We need to divide each and every elements of this B plus B dash by 2. We expect here half of, what is B plus B dash means? It is 6, 1 minus 5, 1 minus 4 minus 4, minus 5 minus 4 minus 4 plus 4. So, that is nothing but dividing each element by 2, we get here 3, this will be 1 by 2 and this will be minus 5 by 2 and here it is 1 by 2, minus 2, minus 2 and this will be minus 5 by 2, minus 2 and then 2. What do you observe here? This matrix is symmetric. We have proved that okay, just P is symmetric. Next look, let me continue with B minus B dash. Take the same thing for reference now. What is 3 minus 3? 0. 3 minus of minus 2, 3 minus of minus 2, it will be 5. Minus 1 minus of minus 4, it is minus 1 plus 4 will be 3. Minus 2 minus of 3, it is minus 5. Minus 2 minus of minus 2, minus 2 plus 2, 0. 1 minus of minus 5, it is 6. Next, minus 4 minus of minus 1, it is minus 3. Minus 5 minus of 1, it is minus 6. What is 4, just sorry, 2 minus of 2, it is 0. So, this will be b minus b dash. Now, please tell me what is q here? Q is half of b minus b dash. So, I take half of this, means each and every element must be divided by 2. What do you get? It is first is 0, second is 5 by 2, here 3 by 2, we have minus 5 by 2, this is 0, and here 3, 6 by 2, here minus 3 by 2, minus 6 by 2, it is minus 3 and 0. Just observe that all elements of principal diagonals are zeros and other elements which are equidistant from principal diagonal are opposite in sign. Therefore, this indicates it is skew symmetric. You have P is symmetric and Q is skew symmetric. So, therefore, finally, you can write a given matrix B. It can be expressed as P plus Q, or half of A plus A dash plus half of A minus A dash. So, that is nothing but you write the matrices like P is nothing but 1 by 2 minus 5 by 2, 1 by 2 minus 2 minus 2 minus 5 by 2 minus 2 2 plus what is Q? It is 0, 5 by 2, 3 by 2 minus 5 by 2, 0, 3, it is minus 3 by 2, minus 3, 0. Clearly, first is symmetric and the second matrix is skew symmetric. So, this is what has to be written here in order to prove that a given matrix can be expressed as a sum of a symmetric and skew symmetric. Okay. So, the third example, will you be able to try it? Will you be able to try the third example? You check it. I hope all of you will complete that a third example or third problem which has been given. So, we will continue in the next class with another beautiful session. So, till then see you, take care, bye bye.